today we are back with a very special video for you. Now, a company called Seabeast has sent me their brand new snorkel mask. It's actually right here. They sent it to us and they asked me if I would review it for you guys and give you my honest opinion on it. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do, guys. Let me just state, this is not a paid promotion. I'm not getting paid to make this video. They did send me the mask for free, but I'm not getting paid to make this video. So if it sucks, I'm gonna let you know that it sucks, okay? So, without further ado, let's get this thing unboxed, get it open. We're gonna take it down to somewhere nice and Caribbean and test it out. Alright, so here is the mask. So they sent it in this nice little box, within a box, so it's protected really well. Here's their Seabeast. I'll put their information down in the description so you guys can go check it out. But it's in this nice kind of dry bag, zipped up really nice and tight. And let me see, where do you open it? Oh, look at that. Oh, are you ready? Here we go. Okay, so I think we got enough of this. So basically, the way it works, it comes like this, and you flip this up. Then it's got a nice latch here that you put that there. It comes with a camera mount, so that just clips here. And then you flip it into place just like that. Really nice and easy. Can you guys see that? Let it focus on you for a second. And yeah, that's about it. It comes with a bolt and even comes with a pair of earplugs. So really, really nice. I think, oh, and these are also adjustable too. So the head mount is also adjustable, and then you just wear it on your face like this, and you can talk normally the whole time. Do I look like I'm about to like abduct you? So, without further ado, guys, I think we're gonna take this to somewhere Caribbean, somewhere a little more tropical. Come on, let's go. Oh. Yeah, this'll do. I think we can go test this out. So, Seabeast, let's try her out. Take that for me. Yeah, I give this 2 thumbs up, guys. Very, very nice quality mask. Does not fog up at all. We were out there in about, I'd say, what, 12 feet of water or so, and the mask was super clear. We were able to see all the fish swimming beneath. Just a beautiful 180-degree view. So make sure you head over, check out Seabeast, get their mask, and you're guaranteed to have a great snorkeling experience. We just had one here in beautiful Grand Turk. Seabeast, it's been real, it's been fun. It's been real fun, guys. Thanks for watching.